This brand new website was featured in Forbes and paid six figures to people from all over the world, including India, Pakistan, the Philippines, Indonesia, the United States, and Canada. You can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and a variety of other payment methods. So this is a fantastic opportunity that will pay off whether you're in your bed, on the beach, in nature, on a plane, or somewhere else. All you need is an internet connection and a device like laptop, PC, or even a smartphone. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before we get to the website, you must first create and maintain your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and log into your personal PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can open up your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on that online banking website. You should definitely watch the video all the way through and pay great attention to every second so that you don't get confused. And if you truly want to make this work, if you truly want to set things up properly and make them work, you must carefully follow and watch every step of this instruction. As you can see, this individual made over $500,000 with this brand new platform. This person earned more than $300,000. This person earned more than $200,000, and so on. There's a lot of money to be earned with this brand new website that we never mentioned before, and I've never seen anyone on YouTube talking about it. As you can see, this platform has been featured in major publications such as Entrepreneur, Forbes, TC, NASDAQ, INC, TNW, and HuffPost. It's an excellent company to work for, but because the sign-up procedure may be very hard and confusing, there's one single mistake that complete rookies make with this platform that results in them earning nothing. So, if you really want to set this up properly to make this work for you, you can truly earn some money with this website. I highly recommend you watch this video till the conclusion and pay great attention to everything I show you. StudyPool is the main platform that we will be using, and it's already accessible at studypool.com. According to similarweb.com, this platform is regularly visited by about 2 million individuals on a monthly basis. So how does it work? It's a website where regular people like me can learn new skills for a very low cost. They can learn anything from math to physics to business to writing to programming and so on. You have all of the subjects right here, so you can click on them and learn everything on studypool.com. Don't worry, you don't have to learn anything or pay anything. Everything will be completely free for you because there are other aspects of this website that we'll be utilizing to begin earning money. The first step we must take in order to begin earning money with studypool.com is to click here and select Become a Tutor. So, in order to make money with this website, you'll need to become a tutor. Don't worry, it won't be too difficult because I'll show you exactly how it works. As you can see right here, they will pay you up to $7,500 every month while you're working from home. So, you may be anywhere in the world if you have an internet connection and a laptop, computer, or even a smartphone device. StudyPool is used by over 50,000 tutors all over the world since it's accessible from anywhere in the world. As you can see, this is a stable source of income because you will not only be paid once, but you will be paid again and again. That's exactly how people from all over the world are literally generating hundreds of thousands of dollars with this platform. Like this person who made over $500,000 for free with StudyPool. There's obviously a lot of money to be made here, and the reviews and feedback can be found at the bottom of the page. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. So, whatever experience you have or information you have, you can teach or educate other people on that specific area. And you can get paid fairly well with studypool.com. So what you'll need to do right now is apply to become a tutor on studypool.com, which you can do by clicking on the Apply Now button right here. Now, all you have to do is to fill in all these pieces of information right here. Just enter your email, username, password, and click on Create an Account right here. You can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, which is quicker and faster because it only takes one click. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the tutor application page. The application takes about 30 minutes to complete, and as you can see above, it can be saved if you don't have time to finish it all at once. This will take up to 30 minutes. After that, you can begin earning money. So, I'll show you how it works, but you may get your money in a variety of ways, including bank transfers, checks, PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, Western Union, and so on. Don't worry, they have a variety of payment alternatives. The next thing you'll need to do is go to your Start application and click on it. Now, you'll have to tell them more about who you are, where you came from, what your first and last names are, and so on. All you have to do now is fill in all of these boxes. Just enter your first name, last name, nationality, address, and academic background. After that, you may click on Save and continue right here. Once you've completed your application, it will take 1 to 3 business days for you to be accepted, at which point you can begin teaching others and earning money. The next thing that you'll be doing is going to udemy.com. This is a location where you can acquire a variety of different courses in a variety of areas. And instead of paying for those courses, you may start for free to learn certain skills and develop information to become a trained study pool educator. You may just go to the search bar and type in whatever you want to study. For example, if you want to learn about business, you can enter the keyword business in this box. In this situation, it gives me over 10,000 different courses that I can take for free. Some of them will actually give you a certificate once you've completed them, so you'll have proof that you have knowledge of that particular subject. I was hoping you could go through them and learn about whatever topic I want, and that knowledge can surely pay off with studypool.com since, as you can see, people are literally making over $500,000 teaching different skills on studypool.com, and it will clearly cost you nothing to get started with this. However, they will only charge you a 20% service fee, which means that if you make $1,000, they will deduct $200 from your earnings. Don't worry though, because they will be bringing you free customers and students, which will generate you money in the first place. So, it's definitely fair play. And you can see that you'll have complete freedom and flexibility to select when and where you want to work. There will be no boss, no office, and no quotas. You'll be able to make your own schedule and be your own boss. Working for yourself means working for how much you prefer. Therefore, you should absolutely take advantage of StudyPool before too many other people do it because it's a fantastic platform. Since it's so new, the only error you can make is not to use it right now. The only mistake you can make is to wait for it to become saturated. So act quickly on this one, studypool.com, and become a tutor to start making some nice money online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.